morning students. Hope you all are fine. This is your computer class. So open your Adobe Photoshop books. Students, in the last class we people have done fill a selection with pattern, to stroke a selection or layer, and blur tool. And in the class of today we will cover page number 28 till 29, and we will discuss the topics smudge tool, sharpen tool, dodge and burn tool. So students, open your books at the page number 28. Our first topic is smudge tool. Smudge tool picks up color where the stroke begins and pushes it in the direction you drag. Means that when you want to mix the colors, smudge the colors, that is done with the help of smudge tool. It makes the dirty effect when you drag in any direction. Means that whenever your mouse pointer is going in any direction, smudge tool will smudge the color in that direction. For that we will learn the practical. For better understanding, we will open Adobe Photoshop, click on File menu, Place option. I'll take this image, Place button, then hold and drag the mouse to adjust the height and width of the image. Then right click, Edit Content, OK to make the changes. Now we will take smudge tool. Students, this is the smudge tool. I'll click over there. When I click on the smudge tool, we are having different options like the brush size, hardness, mode, strength. As per our requirement, we can do the settings from the option bar. Now see, my mouse pointer is coming on this flower. I'll just hold and drag the mouse. See, it is smudging in the direction. If I'll make it downward, the color is smudged in the downward direction. Where my mouse pointer is going on, the colors are mixing. Smudge effect. That is a smudge effect. So let us discuss its steps now. Steps to use smudge tool. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Place an image, select the smudge tool, select the required options from the option bar, hold and drag the mouse on the image to smudge the pixels. Smudge means mix the pixels, mix the color. We can use this smudge tool. Clear, students? Our next topic is sharpen tool. Sharpen tool sharpens soft edges in an image to increase clarity or focus. Means if we want to make a focus on the particular part of the image, means the brightness we want to increase, then we are using sharpen tool. To know more about sharpen tool, let us discuss its practical. I will open Adobe Photoshop, click on File menu, Place option. I'll take this image, click on Place button, hold and drag the mouse to resize the image according to your requirement. Double click, right click on the layer, select Edit Content, OK button. Now students, there is a sharpen tool. I'll click on the sharpen tool. Now we are having different options in the option bar like the brush size. We can increase or decrease, mode and strength. As per our requirement, we can select the required options. Now students, see the cap of this girl. I'll use the sharpen tool over there. Now see, I'll just hold and drag the mouse on this area of the cap. See, now the cap is more focused as compared to the earlier image. I'll show you. This is by holding and dragging. See the difference. The clarity is more. Now I'll show you my old image and the new one. See the difference. Earlier without editing, now see the difference with the sharpen tool. Clear, students? Now we will discuss its steps. Steps to use sharpen tool. Click on start button, all program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Place an image, select the sharpen tool. Select the required options from the option bar, and at the last hold and drag the mouse on the image. Clear, students? Next topic we are having dodge and burn tool. These tools lightens and darken the area in an image. Dodge tool will lighten the color from the image, and burn tool darkens the area, darkens the color in an image. To know more about these tools, we will do its practical. We will open Adobe Photoshop. Click on File menu, Place option. I'll select this image. Click on Place button. Double click on the image. After that, right click. Edit content. OK. And here we are having dodge tool. First of all, I'll use the dodge tool for you. I'll click on the dodge tool. We can select the required options from the option bar, like the brush size, hardness, range, whatever we want. We can do the settings from the option bar. Now I'll hold and drag the mouse. I told you that the dodge tool lightens the color, lighten the part of the image. See, this is the lightening the color. In this way we can make the color lighten with the help of dodge tool. Now I'll use the burn tool. I click on the burn tool. Same options we are having in the option bar. This side I'll use the burn tool. It makes the color darken. See the difference. I can show you. See, as much as hold and drag the mouse I am doing, the color become darken. I'll show you with the help of old image and the new image. I'll take this is my old image and this I have edited for you. See the difference. Here I have used the dodge tool and here I have used the burn tool. You can do the comparison. Dodge tool lightens the color and the burn tool makes the color darken. Clear, students? Now we will do the steps of dodge and burn tool. Click on start button, all program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Place the image. Select the dodge tool or burn tool. As per our requirement, we can use any tool. Choose the required options from the option bar. Then hold and drag the mouse on the part of image. Clear, students? Students, in the class of today we people have discussed smudge tool, sharpen tool, dodge and burn tool. Do the practice of these tools with the help of school links. Thank you so much.